back, my YouTube friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Underdog Fantasy. Now, take this with a grain of salt because Underdog Fantasy only has 31 reviews on Glassdoor, but they come in at a perfect 5.0 at a 5-star rating. So I just thought that I would share this position. Of course, as always, the links to their Glassdoor page, if you want to go read those reviews and do a little bit more research on the company, and the job page, if you want to put that application in, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But Underdog Fantasy is hiring a fraud and payments associate. Now, it says that the company was founded by a team of industry veterans, and they're being born with the idea of bringing strategic innovation to sports, gaming, and entertainment. So this is like a sports, gaming, gambling, entertainment type company. They are looking for somebody to handle payments and fraud, joining a small team to build their growing fraud department. This is remote for the United States only. But what that means is you'll be utilizing the internal data and reporting tools that they have to try to detect fraudulent or suspicious activity. You'll gather risk-related data from different external resources. You'll perform manual AML and KYC checks as needed. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. I don't know if you've ever been presented with a website that does KYC authentication. I have had to do that sometimes before. Normally, they make you upload like a picture of your ID, and sometimes you even have to take a video of your ID beside your face so they can tell that you in the physical human form are the same person on the ID and you don't have somebody else's ID. You'll conduct the Know Your Customer verification and authenticate documents, so I'm assuming they are going to require that from your customers, and then you have to review the videos submitted, the pictures of the ID submitted, and verify that the people are who they say they are. You'll perform initial account investigations to prepare fraud reports to be escalated to the proper departments. You'll assist in collecting data and use that to help resolve any credit card chargebacks or patron complaints. So you'll just be working closely with their customer service team to resolve any inquiries regarding payment issues and fraud. Now, they do not require any kind of a degree for this position. They only require somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of fraud or payments role, someone who is comfortable sorting through large amounts of information and data, someone who is a problem solver, knowledgeable about payment processes and procedures, and of course, they're looking for someone who is willing to work some weekends and holidays. But if you don't mind working some weekends, the pay for this position is anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $80,000 a year. Of course, they offer the standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision plans, 401k, paid time off. It says they do give you $500 home office allowance to get any supplies that you need for your home office. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Or if you have any suggestions on how I could improve this channel and these job leads, how I can make things more helpful for you, leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.